In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a search campaign on Google Ads. Whether you're a newcomer or have some experience using Google Ads, this tutorial is crafted to assist you in managing your campaigns more effectively by guiding you through the process of deletion when a campaign is no longer needed. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads overview page. This is where all your campaigns are displayed, allowing you to manage and analyze their performance. Accessing this page is straightforward. Simply head to the Google Ads website and sign in with your account. Once you're in, the overview page will be the first thing you see, presenting a dashboard of your active, paused, or draft campaigns. Upon reaching the overview page, your next step is to locate the draft campaign that you wish to delete. Draft campaigns are those that you've created and saved but haven't launched yet. They can be found amidst your other campaigns but are clearly marked to differentiate them from the active ones. Take your time to carefully scroll through your campaigns to ensure you've identified the correct one. Deleting a campaign is a permanent action, so it's crucial to make sure you're about to remove the intended target. After locating the draft campaign you wish to delete, you'll see an option to remove it. This option is typically represented by a bin icon or a remove button next to the name of the draft campaign. Deleting a campaign is as simple as clicking on this option. However, I urge you to pause for a moment before doing so and double check that this is indeed the campaign you intend to delete. There's no undo button once you've clicked remove, and this action will permanently erase all the settings and data associated with this campaign. Once you're absolutely sure that this is the draft campaign you want to delete, go ahead and click on remove. A prompt might appear asking you to confirm your action. This is the final step where you can cancel the deletion if you have any second thoughts. If you're certain, confirm the action, and Google Ads will proceed to delete your draft campaign. After confirming the deletion, the campaign will immediately disappear from your overview. This means the campaign, along with all its settings and data, has been successfully removed from your Google Ads account. You won't be able to recover any part of the campaign once it's been deleted, so it's essential to be certain before taking this step. As you continue to use Google Ads, keep in mind that managing your campaigns effectively involves not just creating and running them, but also knowing when and how to end them. Regularly review your campaigns to decide which are achieving your business goals and which might be better off paused or deleted. This helps in keeping your Google Ads account organized and focused on the campaigns that truly matter to your marketing objectives. Deleting a campaign is a straightforward process, but involves careful consideration to ensure that you're not removing something that you might need later. Always double check your campaigns and their performance before deciding to delete. And remember, once deleted, a campaign cannot be recovered. That wraps up our tutorial for today on how to delete a search campaign in Google Ads. It's my hope that you found these instructions clear and helpful. Managing campaigns in Google Ads can seem overwhelming at first, but with practice and patience, you'll find it to be a powerful tool in your marketing toolkit. Stay tuned for more tutorials and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you find yourself needing a refresher on deleting campaigns in the future. Happy advertising!